battle will begin between two sculptors using different 3D software. On the left side we have WARS 3D and Blender software. On the right side an anonymous sculptor using Zbrush. Both programs are highly popular and known for their uniqueness. So let's begin! Both participants start by placing their primitives and begin sculpting their characters. The goal is to create a model based on the art, this time created with AI and placed in the middle. Any 2D or 3D artist can propose their artwork to be used as a reference in the battle. Competition and time constraints create a small adrenaline rush even for the best artist. This leads to occasional decision mistakes as the time runs out. Contrary to appearance, 1 hour is not too much time. Software versus software, artist versus artist, experience versus experience. The goal remains the same. Complete the task as quickly as possible and stay within the given time frame, while shaping the forms to the best of their abilities and adding color. Anyone can compete, from beginners to experienced artists. There is never an identical workflow. There is never an identical experience. No one possesses the exact same skills. Even if a workflow is similar and the program is the same, time is always running, which affects the final result. 3D Wars teach quick decision making, enhance focus, grow and unite the 3D artist community regardless of the software. Let's see the progress. Both participants and viewers can assess the decision-making process during the battle and evaluate the process and final result afterward. As you can see, the participants creates everything from scratch without using pre-made assets or external add-ons. It's a pure art and a skill. This time the battle was recorded and speed up. If you like this idea, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share your opinion. So, the battle has come to an end. There's the final result of the competition. Neither one completed the task within an hour, as there is always room for improvement and precision. Each person critically assesses themselves regardless of the ranking. Everyone learns from mistakes, and competition helps in better memorization, leading to effective learning. I warmly invite you to participate if you feel up to the challenge. You can join the server, where I will communicate with the participants and plan future battles. Regards to all 3D artists out there, and have a great 3D journey, and thanks for watching.